Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gussie here, aka Independent Gus or whatever. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Join the family. I don't know what to call it yet, but we are family. Make sure you subscribe, and if you're returning here, you already know what's good. Thank you for tuning in. Today I am bringing to you a little dewy everyday makeup routine. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I achieve this very cute, basic, everyday makeup look. And yeah, stay tuned. So I am low-key, oh my gosh. So prior to, this is the first step. You're supposed to spray some primer. You can do it after because it can set as well, so it's up to you really. But this is the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Multitasking Spray. This will help with hydration, but also to keep all those oils in place. And then on top of that, we add our Black Opal finishing powder. This is the step that Aina would normally use her Laura Mercier. And this is just to control the shine, but it also allows you to have an extra step of color correcting in a way. I, at this point in time, do not color correct, although I should. Next, we are going to do our eyebrows. I'm going to do that off camera, but I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to shape and define, sculpt, all those good stuff. Please, I'll be right back. So now that I've done my eyebrows, today we are going in with MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the color NW42. Kind of like the look that the finish it kind of gave me, and because we are doing like a dewy look, why not? It's an everyday, you know, MAC be that everyday go-to foundation. Sometimes I guess it used to be for everyone, but so nice. Look at that. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, and since we are doing quite a simple, you know, dewy kind of look, we don't need much in terms of our eyes. I'm going to take my Jackie Aina palette and go in with, we are going to go in with ginger. Yeah, ginger. Oh, this brush is not clean. It's got hella pink in it. Ooh. We're gonna have to switch it up. Messed up in the washing machine. I'm so mad. But it's gonna do what we need it to do. Kinda wanna go in with some edges. Take the actual Anastasia brush, go in with some edges. Just dash it on there. Go back in with ginger.
Shots on the beat.
Skin tone, but it's not really skin tone. Do you know what I mean? Two-tone eyeshadow look again. Next, we are going in with our LA Girl Pro Concealer, the color Fawn. Dash it underneath our eyes. We gotta hide those bags, sister friend. Remember? Oh, this looks like a lot. So I am allowing my concealer to kind of dry down a little bit, as well as I've just damped my beauty blender.
Shots on the beat.
So we just gonna add just a tiny bit more for that under eye baggage, you know. going to change up the game. Usually I would use my Laura Mercier, but today I'm going to use my Sacha, don't watch this. I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Oh, this is a hot mess. But this is the kind of color it comes out to be. Damn, I ain't used this in a minute. Anyways, tap off the excess. And I'm kind of going for this setting powder just because it's a little more yellow than my Laura Mercier. Yeah, I kind of wanted to go for a yellowy look. And the excess is what I kind of just use everywhere else. Okay, cool. Ooh, 10 already. Damn. Next, we are going to contour. 3 steps to sculpt. I have not got a new contour scenario and I'm looking into it. Is what it is. And we are going to take a smaller brush to kind of contour our nose. I like to start from the middle and kind of work my way into my brows. This would be a good step to do with bronzer, but your girl doesn't have any yet. And then maybe you could go in with a clean brush and just... Finally, I'm going to take the other side of the 3 steps to sculpt. Dry light, but I didn't want it. I don't like using the exact same color as my under eye highlight, but we are cutting it. Can go back in with your contour. Today we will be wearing our everyday Revolution Pro Supreme Dip Liner. These are not even the same, bruh. Guys, how did this happen to me? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Next, we go in with our 3D lash from Rimmel London, just to cover the paint on our lashes, the eyeshadow, I should say. Now we are going to take off all of this. We are going to take our warm blush palette from Morphe. We love these colors, we love them. And I think I'm gonna go in with a bit of MUA and Provocative. We are going to use our favorite little brush. Whoa. What the hell? Wasn't meant to do that at all. Then we are going to use a bit of this to just tap on like the other areas that would have had bronzer.
Scammer shots on the beat.
Then we go back in with our contour brush just to mellow down the blush a bit. And then we go over all of that with our Studio Fix finish and kind of just set the face. Go over whatever you want to go over. Today, we're not going to do the absolute most. We're just going to highlight. Just take a little bit. All the parts that you highlighted before. Okay, now for my favorite new step. My favorite new step. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and this is the GOAT, the absolute GOAT. So this is what is going to give you that final, you know, dewy look. For us oily girls, like, it's such a struggle to balance between oily and dewy. This is the GOAT, guys. I'm about to use it and see how it is for the whole day, but when I used it for the first time, it definitely just set my face to look dewy rather than just matte. Right now I feel like I look a bit, I'm cute or whatever, it's calm. I mean, I could add a little bit more blush in here. Anyways, let's continue with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Sprayed too much because I got so excited. To cover my unwanted bags, I used the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder just underneath my eyes. Final step, we need a lip combo. I will be using, so I'm going for the Trendsetter in Morphe, and this one is called Chill. It is a lip gloss. We love it. We absolutely love it. And isn't that just a lovely, natural, dewy, warm beat, right? Now I need to do my hair. Looking atrocious, I'll be back, okay? So guys, this is the finished look. Just like how to have it's an everyday kind of dewy. Can you see? I am so like, wow. This is the game changer, guys. This is really the game changer. It's literally changed my look from matte to dewy so quickly. I'm actually feeling this basic look. Like, I feel like I'm glowing, but it's just okay. If you like this video, make sure you like it, comment down below what you're thinking. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.